to use Funimate for beginners. When you go onto the app for the first time, click No Account, click the blue plus.
Then, click Edit Video.
After that, find any picture, preferably a blank screen, and click it. Then select your fit. I always use the YouTube on.
Unlike mine, you won't have a huge watermark. This only happens when you screen record. Normally there would be a little one in the corner after you export.
Now it's time to pick your audio. Click the little music icon at the top right hand corner and pick a video you have screen recorder downloaded in Voila. Now click the stack of paper with a plus on the side and click Element Library.
Then search who you would like to make an edit of. These videos are all free and star some of the videos.
I'm doing the Queen herself, Madison Beer.
You can now rearrange the size by pinching and zooming out. Keep adding more videos and have fun with it. If you need more help, ask in the comments, or I will pin a comment with the instructions.
After you have finished, click the Export button at the top right hand corner.
Or simply delete it. Now you can watch other people's edits, tutorials, and more. These are very easy to learn from.
Here are some of the cool edits on Funimate.
You know I'm just a flight away. If you want it, you could take a private plane. A kilómetros estamos conectando y me prendes aunque no me estés tocando. You know I got a lot to say. All this.
Now how backpack rap is that?